Hi, I'm Stephanie Nass. Thank you so much for tuning into Valeo Fit. I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite dinner party recipe. It's a seared tuna with a mix of delicious spices that fits nearly every dietary type and is very low in fat. I have a mix of coarse salt, black pepper, red pepper, dried garlic, dried onions, all mixed together. I'm sprinkling it over just a tuna steak. I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna add the spices to the other side. So this pan has been heating up over a medium-high flame for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna add some oil onto my grill pan. I love a grill pan because it shows the grill marks on the tuna, and I just love the char. It's such a pretty look. And now with my tongs, I'm just gonna place the tuna steak on the hot grill pan. Hear that sear? Love that sound. Fish cooks much faster than meat because it has less connective tissues. In just a couple of minutes, it's gonna be done and ready to hit the table. And I can see that the outside of the tuna is nicely cooked. And voila, here is my favorite dinner party entree, a delicious lean tuna that tastes so good.